Welcome. This is just a very short video about how to set up the NeoVIM plugin for your VS Code instance. I do this for pretty much only one reason. Setting this up was painful, specifically with the WSL subsystem. It was really painful. So to spare you with that pain, I have created this little guide and I'm going to show you. You can just refer to the guide on my Notion as well. You don't have to watch the video, but this is a very short video about how to do this. So first things first, we do want to install NeoVIM. For that, we just go into the distro. For me, my default shell is my WSL shell. And we add the PPA repository. The reason for that is, well, you could just build from source, but I want to keep it simple. And the issue is, if you just get the default Ubuntu package, you will be on a version that is too old to actually work with the plugin. So let me just input this. Just press continue, it's gonna add the PPAs. Then you will update your lists. Should be pretty quick. And then you get NeoVIM. I've already installed this, so yeah, I'm already on the newest version. The second thing that might make your NeoVIM installation not work, that is the default distro that is set in your WSL settings. For some reason, my default distro was the Docker desktop. You cannot use that distro at all. It's super weird. I have that issue, and to actually circumvent it, what you actually have to do is open your Windows shell and then list all your distros. You can check if the default distro is actually your chosen distro or if it's the Docker desktop. For me, it was the Docker desktop. If it is not the distro you installed NeoVIM in, and then you have to change your default distro to that distro. So just use the set default and input the distro name. For me, it's already the right one, so I don't have to change anything. For the next step, just install the extension. Obviously, I already have installed it, so I don't have to do that again. But after doing that, you just go into your settings and open the settings for the NeoVIM plugin. You might have to restart for them to show up. For me, they're already there. And now you have to change two things. First, you want to enable the use WSL setting, and then you will have to put the full path of your NeoVIM installation. The example is already perfectly fine, so just take well, if the example is different from whatever just is in there for me, then you might not want to do that, but put in what I have put in here and you will be just fine. After that, all you have to do is restart your VS Code once more and you will be absolutely fine to use the extension. Well, anyway, thank you for watching and, well, see you somewhere someday.